Hey guys, what's going on? I'm going to give you guys a quick tutorial on how you can get started by purchasing some Cerebral Gaming NFTs and staking them over on the Curashiba website to start earning some of those governance tokens on the Cerebral Gaming DAO. First thing that I want to mention is shout out to Hermes DeFi for their RPC. If you haven't set up their RPC yet, or FuzzFi's RPC, I highly encourage you to do that first. People have been running into some issues using the Harmony mainnet RPC, so I'm going to leave a link in the description below for this, but let's move forward. The first thing that you're going to want to do is go over to the mint.cerebralgaming.one website and mint you a few of these NFTs. Each one of these cost 10-1 a piece, and there is no difference between the three of these. It's just based on preference. Each one of these costs 10-1. None of them are any different than the other. So we're going to go ahead and mint 3 of them here for 31. Because purple is my favorite color, and we're just gonna wait for that transaction to go through. All right, that's confirmed. So then we head on over to DeFi Kingdoms, and we're gonna wanna pick up 3,500 Curo. In order to get 3,500, you actually have to spend 5% over what you would normally want. So if you wanted 3,500, that would be around 3,800 that you would have to buy in order to achieve that 5% fee. So we're gonna go ahead and swap some 1 for Curo tokens here to get that 3,500 needed for staking. All right. Okay, so now we're going to go to Curashiba.one and click on Exhibitions. Okay, the first thing that we have to do is pay the admission fee in Curo. So as you can see, I've connected the wallet that I've purchased the NFTs on, and you can see the numbers that were minted. So I'm going to go ahead and pay the admission fee of 3,500 Curo. Okay, all we did initially was confirm that we wanted to pay the admission fee. Now we're actually going to pay it in this transaction. Okay, now we approve the collection. And then we click on the stake button and select all of these. We're going to go ahead and confirm that transaction to stake all 6 of these that we've purchased. And now it tells us that each of these NFTs will earn 0.055 CGD tokens every day. So because we've purchased 6 of them here, we'll be earning 6 times that 0.055. And every day we can come in and click the claim button here and start claiming those tokens. If you go over to the Harmony Block Explorer, you can see how much has actually been raised so far by using the contract address for the minting process. So far, 90,001 has been raised, which equates to about $16,500. Really awesome stuff, guys. I'm going to leave the link to this in the description below as well, so you can take a look at it.